welcome back to my channel. It's Nunu and I'm back with another video. I got my friend in the cut, yeah, with my twin. We be vibing, y'all already know. It's the start of my birthday weekend, y'all already know the vibe. I just left the beauty supply store, picked up a couple things. I'm gonna get y'all a haul when I get home, but we finna basically, this video, y'all finna just get ready with me for my birthday. Like, I'm gonna show y'all how I did my hair, toes, nails, all of that good shit. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow me and Monica on Instagram. You know the vibe, we gonna catch y'all when we get back in the house though. Bye. Okay y'all, so I'm back in the house, and I'm finna show y'all what I got basically from the beauty supply store. So first things first, y'all already know I'm gonna do a updo style. So I got some pink dye. This is the Pink Mania by the Kiss, and then the Atomic Pink. So I got one of each, and I'm gonna mix them together. I got some black spray because I just did Monica hair, so she has some color in her hair. I need to fix that. And Monica got some matching keychains, so I got this one. We got this one. From Amazon, y'all, I got 3 bundles of 613, but I'm gonna just use one. And then I got this 613 frontal. You asked me to look a little thin, but I ain't gonna do too much. And then from the beauty supply store, she got this lip gloss. I got this one. I also got a nail file for my nails. Y'all, I got this closure too. I mean this frontal too. They both look thin, I don't know, but I might end up putting this one in the front, this one in the back. We finna go dye his hair real quick, and yeah. Okay y'all, so basically I'm just dyeing my frontals and my bundles. That's really all for today. I did Monica hair. Yeah, swing it. Ooh, eating it, breathe. We finna go to the nail shop tomorrow, so we'll catch y'all tomorrow. Bye. Left the nail shop. Just got my toes done. Period. We finna glasses on the sunny in the mud. Glasses in the winter. Oh my gosh, when she brought the glasses out, it really did.
No, yesterday it was bright as fuck outside, and you know. Look, oh wait, it was bright as fuck outside, and you know that.
But y'all, we approaching Target. She finna get this lip gloss. I put her on, y'all. That Too Faced lip gloss.
Look, I may get it.
She said I need it, like, but it is pricey. I ain't gonna lie. That Too Faced is pricey. In the club. Light up icicles. Oh yeah, that's cute. I mean, I wouldn't put this on my house, but like, for $25 or something. Like, if you drink it. Y'all, we got tacos and slushies. Monica, let me show y'all my hair. It's still, I don't got no time to wash it out right now because I gotta get to work soon. But it's cute. Like, the camera not doing it no justice. Like, it's really like a Fire Girl and Lava Boy. I said it all wrong. Shark Boy and Lava Girl. It's giving Shark Boy and Lava Girl. I thought it was Lava Girl.
No, it is. What you said?
Oh, that's what I said. Yeah. That's it for today, Wednesday. We just did some laundry. Went to Target.
It's Thursday.
I said Wednesday? It's Thursday. Oh my gosh. But y'all, these tacos actually good, but
One, two.
He said the slushy. He said I do a little mix.
It's slushy.
It's busting.
Imagine it was something like that.
Anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Monica, she not gonna be here tomorrow, and I got regular stuff to do tomorrow. Like, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm gonna pluck my hair, but it's cool. You don't see her on Saturday.
Look, y'all ain't ready for me on Saturday.
Oh, me, like, y'all not ready. We coming with the looks, like, y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. Sip it today.
Bye.
Hey, y'all, so it's still Wednesday. It's like 12 something. I just got off of work. I just did the dishes, but right now I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes. I really want to rinse and wash my frontal and my bundles just to get it out the way. Y'all, it's already Thursday. Like, my dinner is already here. It's coming so fast, so it's crunch time. It's crunch time.
You know how this shit go. You got to fast shack, but the fire up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then it's something, something. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't right, girl. You say my name, you like the captain, stay there. Baby, you are the second. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, no one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games.
Hey y'all, good morning. It's Friday, the last day before my dinner. Y'all, excuse how I look this whole video. I'm gonna be fine at the end of the video. Just give me some time. Give me some time. I am about to decorate my press-ons. Not really decorate them, but add some finishing touches because they already look like they decorated. The reason why I didn't get my nails done is because my job, we can have nails, no type of nails actually. So even if I would have did short, we can't even have nails. So I still wanted my nails done, you know what I'm saying, for my birthday. So I found these Kiss press-ons at Walmart. I don't know if y'all Walmart got some good press-ons, but these, like, look at the shape. Like, it's really giving that. Like, and then I have these Hello Kitty charms that I found on Amazon. Then I have some construction paper, all colors. Y'all gonna see what I'm using the construction paper on too today. I kind of want to practice my like eyeliner because y'all gonna see in the video. I want my eyeliner. I want that, like, y'all gonna see. It's gonna eat. I got some flowers shipping in today because I want to make my own bouquet. Depending on what time they come, I might have to do that after work as well. That's all I'm really doing on Friday. Excuse how I'm looking. I've been coming on here bonnet. I've been coming on here scarf. You know, the week, couple days for your birthday is rough. Like, y'all know. Y'all already know. I ate it up, period. Hey y'all, it's Saturday. Stomach is hurting and I'm cramping. I'm gonna push through. I'm in the process of doing my hair. Y'all, my stomach is hurting so bad, like I'm in so much pain and don't got no medicine. Okay y'all, so I just came back from the beauty supply store. I had to buy some hair, a bundle, because the bundles I ordered on Amazon was so trash. Like, they didn't even take the color of my hair, so I had to figure something out. But before I left, I sprayed freeze spray all around the perimeter, and then I put some pieces like to fill in the gaps right there. Dinner at 6:30. I'm just trying to hurry to get my hair out the way because I gotta do my makeup. I already did my shower. So yeah, but this how it's looking right now. I don't know how the back looking. Not too much. This is the back. I don't know. But this is really melted. Get into 'em. But I'm gonna cut this lace real quick.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. They follow my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in and out, spilling in the new designer gear by Coaster. Pay attention to the detail, going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga have emotion, you don't make sure the car gets hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jewelry, make a bit of sex. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah.
Sexy, count, fitty, money, or kitty, spaghetti, this paper, I shred it, I sweat it, no sweat it, I saw you, begging, God, tell you pity, I ain't done spinning, no pen, I spin it, bags in that, my man ain't gon' steal it, but my bags for these young hoes, they was rich, the green gators, they look like a switch, Georgia, yo, I spent 26 niggas, too sexy, my nigga, wait, get it, release me, caress me, I'll let you taste it, I'll be kicking shit, might need a prosthetic, I pray to the cover on my pillow, too very.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was done up like last week.
Okay, y'all, so I pretty much just pinned all my hair up. I'm finna start my makeup in a minute. It's not really the finished look, but kind of. You know, once I take these out and just pin them correctly. Like 4:30 something. My mama, she just went to pick up my cake. It's eating. I'm gonna show y'all at dinner. But yeah, I'm finna do my makeup and I'm gonna show y'all that. I think it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Stuff been going left and right, left and right, left and right. I'm so excited for my dinner. Oh, this big eating. But yeah, I'm finna start my makeup.